This is S7, slope-intercept form. Write an equation from a graph. So we have this graph. We need to write an equation in this form. Y equals mx plus b. So m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. I copied the graph over here just so I could draw on it. So first thing you want to do is identify the y-intercept. So where is it cross? From right there. That is at -5. So I know that b, I'll write that over here, b equals -5. Now I need to find the slope. If you remember from a different video, look at the lattice points. So where does this line cross the grid lines? There's a bunch of points. You can choose any two you want and draw a triangle. So I'll choose these 2 points. See, like that, like that. So every time I'm doing this, I go up 1 to the right 3, up 1 to the right 3, up 1 to the right 3. So that means my slope, the m, equals 1/3 because the numerator tells me how much I'm going up or down. The denominator tells me how much I'm going left or right. So I went up 1 to the right 3. So when I write this, my equation, I write everything you see here. Y equals, instead of m, put in the number, 1/3 x plus b, so plus -5. Instead of writing plus negative, just write -5. So there's your equation. Let's see if we got it right. Y equals 1/3 x -5. Is that right? Terrific. Nice job.